What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, we got something in-house today that we've been super excited about. We pre-ordered it a while ago and it finally showed up. It's Brilliant Labs' first AI-powered glasses. And as you can see right here, these are the frames. You can see the orange outline right here for the nose piece. That is actually the unique charger for this. It sits on it just like a pair of goofy sunglasses. Question everything. Starting to question this purchase for $350. Let's not waste any time and hop right into it. Okay, so as you saw in that intro, very simple cardboard, really kind of cheap packaging to be honest with you, but this should do for everything that this glasses can do. So as you can see, it says frame, AI glasses, question everything, and on the reverse side, it shows you all three potential colors you can get: smoky black, cool gray, and what we got, H2O, which is somewhat of a clear transparent lens. Has a little barcode. It says scan, download, login, and pair. These are not a standalone device. You do need a smartphone in order to use them. So let's go ahead, tear this back, and open this capsule up. And here are the glasses themselves in a little case. A little hi there, get you started thing, thank you letter. We're going to have tutorials to download the Noah app, and what should be here, some nose pieces. Nothing else in here. Just a little shipping fill up on the side. And then I'm assuming our charger and the glasses themselves are actually, yep, right inside here. So again, somewhat cheaper feeling, but nice little package. It works out. Here is what you're obviously most interested in: those frames with those bone conducting headphones, the USB-C charger on the bottom of that nose piece there, which is magnetic. It actually clips on pretty nicely. And what I hope you can see here is that little prism. Let me open these up so you can see it easier. It's a little prism right over the right eye that's going to give you some useful data here. So basically, it's designed to fit most people, they say. The device is only 40 grams, and when you're normally wearing it, it supposedly will get you all-day battery life. There is a micro OLED in that geometric prism here that we were talking about. So I'm very curious to see how that quality really is. And obviously, what you're going to want to know is how good is the AI assistant here. So basically, what they're saying is this is meant to be your AI personal assistant right out of the box. You're going to have access to AI models like Perplexity, OpenAI's, ChatGPT, Whisper, all of them, right? Sounds familiar? So you should be able to ask and get answers to anything you need, live translations in speech or text, and internet results in real time, obviously. So their first-party app is Noah, like we talked about, and that's going to be where the key player is. To see how well it is going to work, you should get dietary advice while you're eating stuff. It's going to be interesting. So, and I apologize, these are not bone conducting headphones like I originally stated. I apologize, I was thinking it should have something like that. There is actually no speakers on here at all, so just want to clarify that to you right off the bat as well. Now, this has about a 20-degree diagonal field of view with the display in the right eye that we're talking about. Allegedly, it feels like an iPad held at arm's length, so keep that in mind. It's not going to be massive, but it's going to be visible. And again, as you can see, where that little prism is, it looks very distracting just looking at it from here. But yeah, we'll have to see. So let's go ahead right off the bat and get started. I'm going to download the app here for iOS. Let me scan it and go right to the App Store, and we're going to go through this together. So we're going to say get. Let's go ahead and double click and get this installed. While that does it, I'm going to go ahead and pull this off here, and you can really take a look at kind of how cool that transparent frame looks. You can see it says Brilliant on the right piece there. Yeah, I'm very curious to see how this is going to work. At the price point, I hope it's going to do more than what I'm thinking it's only going to do. Okay. All right, bring your devices close. So we're going to have to put this back on. Let me get a charging cable really quick. All right. Let's plug it right in. It says bring your device close. Looks like they might actually be completely dead. It's not even showing anything charging yet. Let me go ahead and give this a few to charge up. So as you can see, it actually said frame found, tap to pair, and now it says it's connecting and updating the software. So while it's doing this, I actually put them on really quick and I want to show you guys how they look. So yeah, it is exactly what I thought, with the most Harry Potter looking glasses. Very nerdy-ish, and you will definitely stand out wearing these. No big deal, but I can't stop actually looking and seeing just how silly it actually looks. I don't know how much I would wear these in public, but you can see exactly what they look like. I will also say, looking at this prism on the side here, it definitely does make it feel like something's blurring your vision. It is not very clear and transparent. However, again, if you like this style, these round glasses, they might be perfect for you. I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like on a regular use case. Let's get back to the download. Okay, so as soon as it actually paired, you can see here it's giving us some sort of walkthrough. And again, since there's no speakers, you have to actually read everything. So it says tap the side of the frame. It says you should check this out. Do you have any outdoor seating? Tap to finish. The following takes you a few more seconds. Let's see. Do they have any outdoor seating? Interesting. Okay. And then under tune, it says in the style of blank tone, and it's giving you some information. Hack if you're interested. So no is where you're going to be spending most of your time, I would assume here. So it's very interesting. I'm not sure exactly what is going on here, but you can see you only get 2,000 quote unquote credits on this welcome tier plan. And it's not showing me what those 23 calls actually did, aside from error out. So here we go again. Automatically going down. This is a little frustrating trying to get set up. I'm going to go ahead and play around with it for a few, and we'll come back in a second. Okay, so we finally got it figured out, and this is probably going to look like I'm looking down the whole time, but once you get it charged, and that was purely the issue earlier, you tap and you get a prompt on your screen that says tap me in. So when you tap, it pulls up this prompt. It almost looks like an old school DOS prompt, and you can say, what's the weather outside? And then you tap to finish, and it'll actually show you a breakdown of what it is. So it's saying it's sunny with a high of 83, and you can continue to do all these questions you want. It's supposed to be very unintrusive and not distracting. So take this for what you want. We have the AI pin, we have the Rabbit R1, we have these and a slew of other devices. Is AI hardware necessary, or should it just be built in to iPhones like Apple's doing with its Apple Intelligence, or Google's doing with Gemini? Let us know in the comments down below. I'm very curious. I think currently these aren't warranted at that current price point, especially from a startup, but let me know what you think. How do you like the look? Kind of feels a little flimsy still, but I want you guys to get a first look and see how these frames look. Comment down below, what do you think? Is it a little rough looking? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.